Yes, sir.
Ma'am, good evening, ma'am. Fine, ma'am.
We were discussing lines and angles. Still few students are joining. Okay. Let me write the question which I have written in the previous class, and I told you that we will be discussing it today. So let's discuss it. PQ and RS are two mirrors. The mirror question, obviously, placed parallel to each other. An incident ray AB strikes the mirror PQ and B. The reflected ray moves along the path BC and strikes the mirror RS at C, and again reflect back along CD. Prove that AB is parallel to CD. The figure is given over here, that is two mirrors we are having. PQ, RS, yeah, let's see what the question says. So in this figure, PQ and RS, we can see what is PQ, we can see what is RS. These two are mirrors. Okay, PQ and RS are two mirrors. Okay, placed parallel to each other. These two mirror, we already know that these two are parallel with each other. This PQ and this RS, these two lines are parallel lines, a pair of parallel line. An incident ray AB is there. I have not written the name properly. Let me mark it down. A, B, C, D. Yeah. An incident ray AB strike the mirror. Incident ray means if this is the mirror, a ray is striking on that. If this is the mirror, I am not sure whether you can see or not. Yeah, if this is the mirror, a ray is striking on that. Okay, that's called incident ray. A ray is coming from a source and it is striking on the mirror like this. Okay, that's called incident ray. Okay, incident ray AB is strike on the mirror PQ. on the mirror PQ, the rays. Why the mirror looks like that? Because we are just showing like the figure of the mirror. Maybe the mirror is like this. Okay, that is just the figure PQ, a line we are taking to represent the mirror, but maybe the mirror looks like this only. Like this only we are having the mirror. Upward, downward, two mirrors are there. Both are parallel with each other. On the PQ mirror, a ray is incident. Okay, if you will just take a torch and you will take just put it in front of the mirror like this, you will be able to see how the ray is incident on the mirror. Okay, and B is PQ at B. Incident ray AB strike the mirror PQ at B. The reflected ray, now there is a reflection. Okay, reflected ray moves along the path BC. Reflected ray is moving along the path BC, strike the mirror RS at C. The incident ray is AB, the reflected ray is BC. Okay, that strike the path, strike the mirror RS. The reflected ray is striking the other mirror at C. Again, reflect back along CD. You can see incident ray. This is the incident ray. Can you see it? This is the incident ray. This is the reflected ray. And again, can you see it reflect back? This is again reflected back portion. Okay, so this figure is already given. What we have to prove? We have to prove that AB and CD are parallel. The incident ray and again the reflected part is there. These two are parallel with each other. That's what we have to show over here. Okay, how we will show this? Let's see. Anyone having any idea how to show it? Yes. First, tell me. I have given this question as a homework and I have asked you to do it by yourself. Have you tried doing? No one have tried? Yes, Arhan, Hanan, Saad, Sara, Samya, Anam. Have you tried? Any idea how to do it? Let's draw a perpendicular over here. We will use the concept of physics over here. Okay, what we can do, let's draw a perpendicular line. A line which is perpendicular to PQ and a line which is perpendicular to RS. Like this, we will be drawing a line. And we know that angle of incidence is equals to angle of reflection. Yes or no? Do you know that?
Yes, ma'am.
Incident angle is equals to reflected angle along the line where perpendicular we have drawn. So this angle and this angle will be same. Okay, now when you will look at only BC, forget about the previous scenario, forget about everything, forget about this, all the cases, forget about everything. Can you see only BC? Now can we say BC looks like incident on RS and CD is reflected? BC is incident and CD is reflected. Can we say?
Oh.
Can we?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone said anything?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you getting? Anam, who is there? Samya. If we will focus on just a moment now. Yeah. If we will focus on BC, does it looks like incident ray on RS? And CD is the reflected.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay. So here also we can say incident ray. The angle of incident is equals to angle of reflection. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
If we are saying this angle is 1 and this angle is 2, this is 3, we don't know how to prove it. Okay, we don't know, so far we don't know how to prove it, but whatever we are having in hand, we will try collecting it. Okay, so let's write it in the rough space only. Let's write it that we know that 1 is equals to 2, we know that 3 is equals to 4. Angle of incidence, angle of reflection, we understand that. Okay, now what we know PQ and RS is parallel line. So if we will focus on any transversal, here BC looks like a transversal. So if we will focus on transversal BC, then what can we say? If we will focus on the transversal BC, let me mark it with different color. This BC is the transversal, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then can we say that if these two parallel lines are there and this is the transversal, okay, can we say that this complete angle and this complete angle will be same? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we can say that we are getting a pair of alternate interior angle, but which two are alternate interior angle? It looks like this one and this one is a pair of alternate interior angle. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And since we have drawn a line which is perpendicular, let's say this is M, let's say this is N. Since we have drawn a line BM which is 90 degree, and we have drawn a line CN which is 90 degree, that means angle 2 plus X is 90 degree, angle 3 plus the same X is 90 degree. So can we say 2 and 3 both are same?
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
we say?
Yes, ma'am.
Here I am going to write it, that alternate interior angle we got, angle QBC is equals to angle RCB. These two are alternate interior angle and these two are X. Okay, since we have drawn a perpendicular line, just roughly I'm writing everything to get the idea how to approach this question. Okay, since we have drawn a perpendicular line, that BM is perpendicular on PQ. This is perpendicular I am trying to write, and BM is perpendicular on PQ. That means angle MBQ is 90 degree. That means angle 2 plus X is 90 degree. Similarly, can we write that angle 3 plus X is 90 degree? Yes or no? Everyone, please respond at first.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, can we say angle 2 and angle 3 are same?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
If angle 2 and angle 3 are same, can we prove that BM and CN, these two are parallel line?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
BM and CN are parallel line. Then we were supposed to prove AB and CD, but we ended up proving that BM and CN. So, okay, no worries. Let's see what else we are getting from here. Just a second. This figure has become very like. Let me draw it over here, because here it is becoming everything I have written. Let me draw it freshly over here. Okay, so Just yeah, a bit fresh it looks like now. Now we already have written in the beginning that angle 1 and angle 2 are same. Angle of incidence, angle of reflection. We have also written angle 3 and 4 are same. Now only from this 2, we got that angle 2 and angle 3 is same. Okay. But we know 1 and 2 is also same. 3 and 4 is also same. So can we say that angle 1, 2, 3, 4 all are just same with each other? Can we?
Yes, ma'am.
Can we? Angle 1 and angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4 all are same with each other. Now, if we will focus on the parallel line AB and CD, let me wipe the remaining part. Focus on AB and CD, and transversal is BC. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 all are same with each other. So can we say that now we are able to prove that these two are parallel line? 1 plus 2, whatever will be 1 plus 2, that the same will be 3 plus 4, and these two are alternate interior angle. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So can we say we are done with the proof that AB is parallel to CD?
Yes.
Everyone getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's do it in a proper way. These whatever we have done so far, these was just the explanation. Yeah, let's continue. We will write properly everything now. The figure mirror I am drawing. Just give me a second. Let's write everything properly. P, Q, A, B, R, S, this one we are drawing. We have named it BM and this point was BC. This is D, this is N. Yeah, this is how we have named it. Now, let's write the construction we are doing over here. I said to you in the very first class that construction is allowed in mathematics. Okay. So here we are doing one construction, that is BM perpendicular to PQ and CN perpendicular to RS. Okay, this is what we are doing the construction at first. so that we will be able to take, since the question is all about mirror, so that we can use the mirror concept, that is angle of incidence is equals to angle of reflection. So we will write therefore angle ABM is equals to angle MBC. Okay, angle of incidence angle of reflection. Similarly, we will also say that angle BCN is equals to angle NCD. So far, is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If you want, you can name it also. You can name it angle 1 and 2. You can name it angle 3 and 4. Okay. You can name it. If you have to name it, then you have to mention also that you are using angle ABN as a angle 1, and you are using angle MBC as an angle 2. Okay. This one you have to write like this. This one you are using for angle 3, and you are using. You have to mention that you have taken the assumption that ABM is 1 and MBC is 2, BCN is 3. Like this also you can write, no worries. Okay, figure has to be there, like beside the explanation where you are doing the proof, beside that figure has to be there, and in figure properly you have to mention whatever you are showing, angle 1, angle 2, 3 and 4. Like this also you can mention. Okay, now what we have done, we have taken the pair of parallel lines. Since PQ is parallel to RS, it is given already. Since PQ is parallel to RS, given already. Okay, and BC is a transversal. PQ is parallel to RS and BC is a transversal. Then what we realize? We realize that the other angle is same. Please be careful. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, nothing is same. The other angle is same. Which angle? This angle. This angle is same with this angle. Alternate interior angle. Let's name it angle QBC is equals to angle RCB. Alternate interior angle. Any confusion so far? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Arhan, Samya,
Yes, ma'am.
Sara. Who else is there? Hanan, Saad. Is it clear so far?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, let's continue. These two are alternate interior angle, and which we have assumed as x. Therefore now we can write that since angle MBQ is 90 degree and angle NCR is also 90 degree. See, I'm talking about angle MBQ. Focus on MBQ. I'm going to say that this total is 90 degree. And here also this completely is 90 degree. We know that. Perpendicular we have dropped. Okay. So angle MBQ and NCR, these two are 90 degree. Therefore, MBQ means angle 2 plus x. angle 3 plus axis and CR, which implies that angle 2 and angle 3 is same. Okay, since angle 2 and angle 3 is same, from equation number 1 and 2, we can say that 1, 2, 3, 4 all are same. From 1 and 2, we can say that angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4 all are same. Okay, now we have to focus on line AB and CD and transversal BC. We have pair of line AB and CD, and there is a transversal C. When we are not talking about parallel line, then also we can talk about like transversal. We can use this terminology, transversal line. There is a pair of line. Pair of line are parallel line or not, we don't know. We don't know the pair of line are parallel or not. Still we are not sure, but we can call that we have two line, we have a transversal, we have alternate interior angle, but it is same or not same, that will give the conclusion that whether the two lines are parallel or not. Okay, so that's what I'm writing over here, that pair of line we are having AB and CD, and there is a transversal also. Transversal is BC. Okay, we are having pair of line AB, CD, transversal is BC. Now, what we will do? If we will focus on line AB and CD and transversal BC, then we can see clearly. Let me mark it properly. AB, CD, transversal, see carefully this total angle and this total angle. If we will be able to prove that this total are same, then we can say these two AB and CD are parallel with each other, and we will be able to prove that. Okay. Angle 1 plus 2 is equals to angle 3 plus 4. This one you can name equation 3, or you can say these all are just y. So this is just y plus y. This is also y plus y. So basically both are 2y, you can see. Okay. From equation 3 we are saying that. And these two are alternate interior angle also. Therefore, AB is parallel to CD. See the whole scenario step by step and let me know whether it is clear to you or not. First, we have done the construction. We have drawn a perpendicular line perpendicular to the first upward mirror and then on the downward mirror. After that, angle of incidence, angle of reflection is same. That's what we have written. After that, pair of parallel line we are having, so transversal and alternate interior angle we are getting. But be careful, directly we cannot say that angle 2 and 3 are same. Directly we cannot say. Since we have dropped the perpendicular, then we are saying that this blue angle and this blue angle will be same. Okay, these two are alternate interior and hence angle 2 and angle 3 are same. Okay, then all angle 1, 2, 3, 4 all are same, and hence we are able to prove that AB and CD are pair of parallel line. Any confusion so far?
No.
Is it clear, Sara, Saad, Hanan, Arhan, Anam?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you copied this one?
Yes.
Take your time, copy it. Copy it. This is the first step. Tell me after doing this much, I will scroll it down, copy this much. Go through it carefully and let me know anywhere having any confusion. Anyone, please let me know if you are having any confusion.
Can you scroll up a little bit?
Scroll up. Okay, we have started from here freshly, but if I will scroll up, there is a question and rough spaces there where we were discussing the solution. Do you want me to show the question? The
Done,
solution
ma'am.
starts from here, the construction part. Okay, the
Yes,
proof
ma'am.
starts from here. Once you are done noting down this much, please let me know. I will scroll down and then you can copy the next part. This is the figure, by the way.
Done. ma'am.
Scroll down. Done.
Can you scroll? Yes,
Scroll up or down.
down.
Done so far.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we can say AB is parallel to CD. Go through the steps. Tell me anywhere having any confusion. No one having any confusion, right?
No, no.
Okay. Let's do the next question. Next, we are having Yeah, this is what we are having, and we have to find the value of x over here. Try it. Let me know how can we do so. Copy down the figure first. Copy it. Okay. Try it. We are going to discuss this one, how to find the value of x. But first you try it. Okay. Today I am going to activate the assessment, which is from parallel line. So first copy the question. I'm in the figure. Here we have to find the value of x. Okay. That's what the question says. Done. Done. Have you copied?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm stopping the screen sharing just for a while. Okay, try this question. We are going to do it. X is 109. I think it's wrong. No worries, Anam. You tried, that's enough. Okay, please try it. You have to try it. That's why always whenever I give any question, I leave it for you so that you can think about it at first. And then we will be discussing it. It will make sense to you. Okay, at least try it. Right, wrong, doesn't matter. Try it. Today, you will be able to give the assessment of the next topic, that is parallel line and their properties. And we are done with the lines and angles. Yeah, I have informed my team to activate the assessment. Just after the class, please give the assessment. Now let's discuss it. So what we will do over here, see, we can see triangles over here. Angle sum property is already known to us. Okay. Now, what can be done to find angle x? One thing, if you will think about, there are so many ways. One of the way is, suppose what we can do, any way we can find this angle, I mean this black angle. Anyway, if we will be able to find this black angle, okay, then we can find angle x by linear pair. Okay, we can see this BC is a straight line. So by using the linear pair axiom, we will be able to find x. But first we need to find the black angle. Now to find the black angle, the black one, which let's say I am writing x. Okay, to find, okay, x is already there. Sorry. Let's name it angle BED only. So to find this angle BED, let's find the other angle, this one, angle sum property. If we will focus on triangle A, the easiest approach I am telling you, triangle ABC, can we say 34 degree plus 30 degree plus this angle B, that means angle ABC, that all together is 180 degree. Angle sum property, can we say? Can we?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me what is angle ABC quickly. Quickly let me know what is angle ABC. What is angle ABC? Anyone? Yes.
Ma'am, 116 degrees.
116.
Yes, ma'am.
If we got this one 116, can we get the other part by using the linear pair axiom?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
mean this part, this one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's find it. The linear pair angle. Therefore, angle EBD by linear pair axiom will be 180 minus angle ABC. 180 minus 116. See, this is just one of the way. There are so many ways, and I am just telling you the easiest way. So 180 minus 116 is 10 minus 6, 4. 7 minus 1, 6. Is it 64 degree?
Yes, ma'am.
We got 64 degree. Black angle, can you find it? I am talking about angle BED, the black one. Angle BED.
Yes, ma'am.
In this triangle BED, angle sum property we can apply. Angle B plus angle E plus angle D is equals to 180. That means it will be 180 minus 64 plus 45, right?
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
That is
71 degrees.
71. I was telling you, anyway, if we will get this black one, then we will be able to find X. Find X now. By linear pair axiom, obviously. Is it 109?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Anam, it is 109. And you think you are wrong? No, it's not wrong. There are more ways for finding this one. See what we can do. Directly we can get the angle B. I mean angle EBD. Directly we can find. If you want to find directly angle EBD, that also is possible. There is a property of triangle that exterior angle is equals to sum of two opposite interior angle. Okay, so directly we can get this orange angle, this orange one, EBD. Directly we can find by adding two opposite angle. That is 34 plus 30 is 64. Directly we can get this will be 64. Exterior angle of a triangle is equals to sum of opposite two interior angle. Do you know that?
Yes, ma'am.
Directly
Yes.
also we can get this one, and then we can find the angle BED. Okay, this angle. Previously we were finding angle EBD. Now we can find BED. Okay, BED, the black one. 71, and then by linear pair it is coming as a 109. Anyway, it will be 109 only. Any confusion to anyone?
No, ma'am.
No.
Any confusion?